Hello, I'm Dr. Frederick Echols, Health Commissioner for the City of St. Louis. As the end of the year holidays quickly approach, many individuals are planning to have a traditional holiday gathering with family and friends. If you're looking to return to family traditions, the City of St. Louis Department of Health wants to ensure you have the information and the resources you need to protect your health and the health of your guests. The questions this week focus on having a safe and responsible celebration. Diane from zip code 63103 asks, what can I do to reduce the risk of getting and spreading SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, while at my family holiday gathering? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends everyone 5 years of age and older get vaccinated, stay at home when they are sick, get tested if they have signs or symptoms of COVID-19 or if they think they may have been exposed to someone with COVID-19, avoid crowds, wear a face covering that completely covers their nose and mouth, avoid poorly ventilated indoor spaces, stay at least 6 feet away from others who do not live in their household, wash their hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use hand sanitizer when soap and water are not available. Some families are requiring that individuals show proof that they are fully vaccinated or have a negative test within 48 to 72 hours before the event. This is just an example of some measures families are choosing to implement. Although this measure is not a requirement, we hope all families will take the precautions necessary to protect their loved ones. Paulette from zip code 63119 asks, what's the safest way to gather for the holidays? As you complete your holiday planning, the best thing you can do to increase the chances of having a safe event is to get vaccinated and be sure everyone in your family who is 5 years or older is vaccinated. Also, be sure anyone eligible for a booster shot has received one. If your loved ones have questions about the FDA-authorized COVID-19 vaccines, please speak with your medical provider, local public health department, or consult another source that can provide accurate information on SARS-CoV-2 and the COVID-19 vaccines. Also, having unvaccinated guests 2 years and older wear face coverings at your indoor celebration will help to maximize protection from the virus and prevent its possible spread. Gathering virtually or only with the people you live with are the best ways to gather for safe and healthy holiday celebrations. Virtual gatherings could include an online party, concert, or sporting event with your family and friends. Also, consider outdoor events if you are considering activities with people not in your household. Avoid hosting events in crowded, poorly ventilated venues. For information on upcoming vaccination events, please visit the City of St. Louis website, www.stlouis-mo.gov. Click on the COVID-19 information banner. After clicking on the banner, click on the Vaccine Information tab. Zella from zip code 63139 asked, what should I do if I become sick after attending a holiday gathering? Attending large gatherings increases your risk of coming into close contact with individuals outside your household who may be infected with SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Close contact means within 6 feet of a person, 15 minutes or more for over a 24-hour period. If you come into close contact with someone infected with SARS-CoV-2, you should get tested. According to the CDC, fully vaccinated persons should be tested 5 to 7 days after their exposure. If you are fully vaccinated, you do not need to quarantine unless you have symptoms. Unvaccinated individuals should quarantine and get tested close to the end of the quarantine period or immediately if they develop any new symptoms. If you are unvaccinated and come into close contact with someone with COVID-19, you should quarantine for 14 days after your last contact with the COVID-positive person. Watch for temperatures of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, cough, shortness of breath, or other COVID-19 related symptoms. If you develop symptoms, immediately self-isolate, meaning separate yourself from others as best you can, and contact the City of St. Louis Department of Health at 314-657-1499. hope everyone has a safe and healthy holiday season. As a reminder to obtain information on upcoming vaccination clinics, please visit the City of St. Louis website, www.stlewis-mo.gov. Click on the COVID-19 information banner. After clicking on the banner, click on the Vaccine Information tab. If you need a COVID-19 care kit, please contact a branch of the City of St. Louis Public Library. These kits include hand sanitizer, reusable face masks, educational materials, and a reusable tote. Thank you for tuning in this week, and thank you to Diane, Paulette, and Zella for submitting questions. Be sure to tune in next week for more critical public health information. I really want to hear from you, St. Louis. Please send your questions to health@stlewis-mo.gov. Questions will be answered in the order they are received. If I run out of time on air, your question will be answered by return email. Happy holidays, St. Louis. Be well.